The Rack Shop is proud to present this Dodge Durango with a bare roof. We've actually just installed a custom roof rack. So we've installed these Rhino-Rack RTV tracks, RTV 148, it's part number. That's drilled and riveted into the sheet metal of the roof. Attached to that, the crossbar, we have the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero load bars, 54 inches in length. Looks like you could get away with the 50-inch bar if you want something a little bit tighter, but the 54-inch gives you plenty of room for different accessories and overhang. Below that, as you see here, we have the Rhino-Rack RLT 600 quick mount leg pack. So that allows adjustability of the base along the track, so you can move the bars back and forth wherever you need them. And if you need to remove the bars or remove them to adjust the bars, you can utilize that quick mount disconnect to do it quickly. And locks are included with the system. So really great system overall. These bars are compatible with many accessories. So bike, kayaks, cargo, pretty much you name it. So that's just a quick overview of this system. For more details, pricing, and availability, click the link in the description below. But like always, thanks for watching.